Do you feel like your brain isn't as sharp as it used to be? The truth is, you don't have to lose focus, memory, or mental agility just because you are getting older. With the right daily habits, you can strengthen your brain's capabilities and stay sharp for decades to come. Think of your brain like a vast network of roads. Every time you focus, practice, or learn something new, you're paving and reinforcing those roads, making information flow faster and more efficiently. But when critical habits are neglected, those roads weaken and decay, slowing down your brain's performance. The daily choices you make now either strengthen your brain's infrastructure or allow it to weaken and decay over time. Specifically, there are 3 critical areas you need to keep your brain sharp for life. First, exercise your brain through mental activities. If you want a sharper, faster brain, you must train it, just like how you train a muscle to grow stronger. Every time you push your brain to focus, learn, and stretch beyond its comfort zone, you are building faster, stronger highways inside your mind. Mental training is proven to improve memory, sharpen focus, and even delay cognitive decline. Good brain exercises include doing something unfamiliar, like learning new skills, languages, or even thinking differently to force your brain to carve out new pathways. Reading, which concurrently strengthens comprehension, memory, critical thinking, and imagination. And playing cognitive games like puzzles, strategy games, and memory training to sharpen critical thinking and pattern recognition. But such mental activities consume energy, and that's where the second area comes in: energy and recovery. Your brain is like a high-performance machine. It needs the right fuel and maintenance to build strong pathways and operate optimally. Here are 3 essential ways to power and protect your brain. First, move your body regularly. Physical movement boosts blood flow, delivers vital nutrients to your brain, and stimulates the growth of new brain cells. Next, get enough sleep. During sleep, your brain consolidates memories, clears waste, and strengthens the neural pathways you built during the day. It's like having a dedicated night crew repairing your brain's network while you rest. Third, give your brain the materials it needs to function well. Consume brain foods like omega-3s, antioxidants, and hydration, all of which are essential building blocks for the brain. Besides exercising and energizing the brain, we need a third component: a brain-friendly environment. Even the best-built highways will be slow if they are blocked by debris. To keep your brain operating at full speed, you need to clear both your physical and mental spaces. First, train your brain to stay present with mindfulness. This is about strengthening your ability to focus on one thing at a time, while removing mental noise that drains your energy. Next, train your brain for deep work without distractions. Like how a computer slows down when you have too many tasks running concurrently, multitasking overloads your brain's RAM and fragments your attention. And lastly, surround yourself with like-minded people, ideas, and materials that stimulate your brain to keep learning and growing. By building consistent daily habits in these 3 areas: mental exercise, energy and recovery, and mental environment, you can strengthen your brain for peak performance and lifelong adaptability. Check out the blog article linked below for more details on the habits and activities we touched on. And check out the links to the free summaries of our top learning books. See you in the next video.